Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to stop showing online on Instagram. Let's get started. To begin, open your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen and select Settings and Privacy. Now, in the search bar, type activity or simply ACNT for a quicker search, and this will lead you to the Show Activity Status option. Once you've located it, all you need to do to stop displaying your online status is to toggle this option off. And that's it. That's how you stop showing online on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!